Hi guys, hope you guys are doing great. Today's video is on another topic relating to mindset, especially for those who have already taken up healthy living as their lifestyle. What happens that anybody who's either taking up healthy living or has already uh, formed a good lifestyle, what happens that whenever a difficult situation comes up, that can be our own health, that can be work commitments, or that can be family commitment, because life will go on and life will keep throwing challenges at us. So whenever such a situation comes, I have seen that many of us, because of the excess demand or excess the commitment that is required for that particular situation, we kind of give away the healthy lifestyle that we have taken up or we are pursuing. So here I would like to mention that healthy lifestyle is not one package. It is a collection of small habits. So for example, if we have developed 10 habits, which has made up our lifestyle, it can be like waking up on time, it can be sleeping on time, it can be eating on time, it can be a small thing as drinking lemon water in the morning, it can be a small thing like going out in the sun in the early morning for 5 to 10 minutes. It can be any habits that you have developed which together have made up your lifestyle. So let us not consider this as one package, and let us consider it as 10 different habits, so that whenever such a tough situation comes up where our focus have to shift slightly from our normal lifestyle to tackle the situation, we should do, out of these 10 habits, we should do as much as we can, as much as the situation permits. I will not say, or I will not recommend that you compromise on the exigency which has come up and still pursue your lifestyle. That would not be a practical thing to do. But at the same time, it is not wise to give up everything. Consider healthy lifestyle as one package. Give up everything, and we are not doing anything during that situation. Now, the problem with this is that we do not know how long the situation will last. Now, if we give up everything, we might go out of habit, and it will be extremely difficult for us to come back to our healthy lifestyle, whenever the situation is normal. So as long as we are maintaining even say 30, 40, 50% of what we do, then we are at least maintaining the continuity. Our mindset is still of a healthy lifestyle mindset, and it will be a cakewalk for us to get back into the complete routine once the situation normalizes. And if we kind of take a break from the entire thing, then it will be very difficult for us to come back. Plus, our mind is what we need to train. So if we keep giving up these things once in a while and frequently, then our mind will just believe that this is not that important, let us keep it away, and ultimately we will completely stop following it and go back to the original unhealthy lifestyle that we might be or might have been following in the past. So this is one tip that I would like to give, because I've observed many of us following this pattern of either doing everything or doing nothing. Let's not treat this as one single package. Let's not treat lifestyle as one package. Let's break it up into smaller habits. And during such tough times, out of these 10, 12, 15, 8, 5, whatever habits you have developed, which has made up your lifestyle, follow as many as you can, as many as the situation permits you, so that we are never out of habit, so that our mind is aligned towards healthy living, and coming back to complete routine will be quite easy for us and effortless for us. Great guys, thanks a lot for listening, and till we meet again, be healthy, be happy, and be safe. Thank you so much.